friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Argo Blockchain PLC. Let me first tell you that this stock is listed in London Stock Exchange and the currency is in GBX, so please take a very important note of it. Now, the reason for looking at this chart is very simple, because after a move from the lows of 2020 to the highs of 2021 and the move worth nearly 13,000%, this particular share is actually holding on to its gain. Now it's not at all about the recent correction, and from the highs it has lost almost 83%, but you just look at the overall trend. Okay, when I'm saying overall trend, this highlighted section, and let us see how the stock has performed in this perspective. So let's start analyzing this chart, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So if you are looking at this particular stock, what you can see right now is the stock is consolidating. This share is consolidating, and this is very important to understand before taking things into perspective, because the consolidation is indeed very positive. It may continue for some more time, but if it is consolidating and finding its feet somewhere down the line, it's more important. So what do we have here is 61.54, which is your immediate support, whereas 54.21 is going to be your stop loss on the downside. So please do not go below 54, and any move, or if this particular share continues to sustain above 61.54, it's actually good. Now, as I told you, this may take time for the consolidation to get over, but if it holds above 54, it is indeed very good, because you can see this range and you can see the consolidation that's been happening after a very big correction. Because from the high, if it has corrected 83%, so it's a deep correction that has happened in the last 1 year, and this particular share is indeed taking a couple of support in between 54 and 61. So if this is the case, then the next couple of targets, even in between the range, inside the range, are 95, which is your immediate target. Then we have a range which is in between 162 and 171, and then the upper end of the range which we have here is 323 and 352. So we have a lot to look at even within this range. So I'm not going beyond this range right now, because we have a lot to cover. If this particular share is sustaining above 54.21 to be specific, and more importantly, if it continues to sustain above 61.54, and if it further moves beyond 353 or 360, it will be a big breakout, and then we will reanalyze this trend further as far as the overall trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.